So I tried to switch out that, but it's your boy Chris back at it again with another video for you guys. Yo, I'm on my way home. I'm on my way home real quick. I've been working on some new designs for the merch. So I got some new designs for you guys for the merch and everything. So I'm probably gonna have it on the screen up above. Let me know if y'all like that design. I'm gonna get some. Cause y'all kept y'all side of the bargain. Y'all definitely got me. Y'all definitely. That I was a cop. You know, I had to stop talking. I saw the cop. You feel me? So y'all definitely kept y'all side of the bargain. Get over 100 subscribers. That's definitely what we were shooting for. So shout out to y'all. I think we're almost at 120 subscribers. That's awesome. That is awesome, y'all. Really appreciate you guys for real, no joke. So right now, I got this new package. I got a new package for the bike. I ordered if y'all didn't watch last video, go check out the last video for my rebuild series. So as you know, when I first got this bike, even though this bike looks amazing still, you know, close up it does have some blemishes and some light scratches, but to me, since it's new, you know, this bike is still meant to me, but you know, just got some cosmetic work to do to this bike. I don't know if you guys know this. I don't know if I ever told you guys, but my bike has underglow lighting. I just never plug it into my battery, but it does have underglow. So we're gonna change out some of the fairings on this thing, and so far I got the front came in the mail, so we're gonna take a look at that. I got an unpainted one, so I just want to see the quality of it. I also ordered a new tail, the tail fairing for my bike, but it seems like I had to cancel that order because the guy was saying the post office is gonna charge him like $90 to send him my damn thing. That's ridiculous. It's totally ridiculous. So I had him cancel it. I don't know if I'm gonna find somebody else to order from or what, but yeah, it's just crazy. So we're gonna keep looking at that. You know, if I can't find anybody, I might just return the front one I bought and just buy a whole set of unpainted ones, and then, you know, just paint them all, just get them painted professionally done before summertime, because I know y'all already know it's summertime, it's bike season, it's heated up out here. It's almost 66 degrees right now. I just need the mornings to get a little hotter, because when I be riding in the morning, it'd be like 30 degrees, 35 degrees, and my hands be like Jack Frost. No cap, no kizap. So you know, I got really warm gloves. I probably need to install grip warmers on my bike. You know, that's another thought. But I don't know if next year if I'll be riding so much in the cold. So I don't know. This is my first year riding, so you know, I feel like I got the jitters of trying to ride every day in the cold. You know, I did it, done it, been there kind of thing. But who knows? every once in a while. I don't think I would ride enough to need it, but I don't know. With this baby on the way, you know, shout out. I got a baby girl coming soon, so y'all know I might need to have another car at home just in case. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get a little beater. I'll get a little beater vehicle for the winter time. I don't think I was recording yesterday, but over here was a crazy accident, bro. It was like all here. I think a semi, like even two semis collided into each other and like hit a car over here. It was bananas, but you know, I didn't have my camera on me, so I didn't really record it. But y'all be careful. If you're not even if you're watching this and you don't have a motorcycle, you know, just be careful in your car too. Just be careful in your car, because you just never know. And especially so my bike riders out here, especially my super sport riders, y'all be careful. Y'all be careful out there riding this riding season, these cold months too, because people really don't be looking out for us. People don't check their mirrors, and you know, in this day and age, everybody be distracted driving. They got like their cell phones in their hand and stuff. So, you know, just be extra careful. You know, if you're riding at night, just make sure you have, you know, night gear, something that's very visible at night, or you know, add lights to your bike if you can, to, you know, just make yourself well known. I seen they have brake lights for your helmet. I saw that there's a little accessory you could buy. You know, try to get that if you ride at night a lot, because you know, I just want to see us prosper. I want to see a lot more of us on bikes and being safe at the same time. You know, people might think I ride every day because I'm like a adrenaline junkie. I'm really not. I just enjoy the feeling. I just honestly just enjoy the feeling of just being on a bike. It gives you like a new element of riding. Just like, I really can't explain it. It's just the fact that the fact that you can feel the wind like hitting you. And I don't know, it's just a cool vehicle to be on. And the exhaust sound, you know, right now I can't afford the Lamborghini or whatever that I want, but you know, one day, you know, this channel's been growing so much. I really hope that, you know, by summertime a lot of my videos start going viral and stuff and start picking up. So I think it will. I think it's just me needing to do a better job with like promoting and advertising. I'm considering posting a lot of the videos on like I do have a Facebook group, y'all. So if you're not a part of the my Facebook group is the Moto Vlogger group. You can check that out in the description. Also, if you are a rider, no matter where you're at, go in the description right now and follow my Discord. Straight up, follow my Discord. Y'all need to go follow my Discord, and so we can chat. Like, if you have any, like, if you already left a comment and you want to kind of send me a one-on-one, if you want to kind of send me like a one-on-one, have like almost like a DM, like a personal conversation, or if you have an event you want to invite me to or anything like that, you know, go on Discord and you can chat with all of us. There's already a couple of us in there. Also, like I said, you can join the Facebook group. You can chat with us in there too. Drop videos. If you're a motor vlogger, you can drop video links in there and everything. And please make sure on this video y'all tell me what y'all think of that design for the merch. Alright, so I'll be home in a minute, so I'll see y'all in the next clip. Alright y'all, so just got back to the cribbo and I just unboxed this front end. So we got the front end in here. Okay, so I got a white. Dang, they said this thing dirty. Man, this thing is dirty. But we're gonna clean it up. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna keep it white, because my bike is white and blue, or if I'm gonna paint it the same blue. But yeah, I got this one is an unpainted one, but golly, they gotta clean this off a little bit. But it's all good though. We're gonna check it out. So let's see. Man, I just love these. I just love these. Here's the first piece that I got for my rebuild for just redoing the bike a little bit. So I got that because you can see I got like a little damage. You could barely tell. I probably could have fixed this, to be honest, and then just repainted it, but I just rather just get a new one. And then, you know, same thing on this side. And then, like I was telling y'all earlier, I had ordered the rare one, but for whatever reason the seller was tripping. The seller was really tripping, talking about the post office was going to charge him $90 to ship it to me. Come on, bro, you in Milwaukee. It's not that serious. $90 to ship something? Bro, you must know how to ship stuff. You gotta put it in one of those boxes. You gotta put it in one of those boxes where, you know, those prepaid boxes, you feel me? Y'all know about that. But update, you know, like they say, be careful what you buy on eBay. So it's either I didn't know how to put this on properly, or this is just not the right fit. So this is gonna have to go back. Not the right fit on that one. Shaking my head. Like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Look out in the next few videos for the merch. Tell me, comment down below if you like the design. I'm gonna put it up again. Like I said, subscribe, like, and comment. We out. No soap.